Hi, my name is Gunpreet Singh and I welcome you all to the Thecryptosingh show, and we talk about Bitcoin, NFT, metaverse, everything on this show. What's happening with the Bitcoin price? We're still hanging in there. Is there a hope that it breaks that 30,000 level, or are we going to dump back? Well, in my previous video, I did tell you that it's going to be tough to break that 30,000 mark. It did break, it went up, and it again gets rejected. But saying that, it's sustaining itself. Now, till when this can sustain is the question, because I told you that, look, you need about 4-5 days for it to really sustain, and then you could say that there's a change in trend. But the good part is, look, I did also tell you that a lot of the negative news is out and there's gonna be more of positive news coming in. And that's what happened. And to the extent that I did tell you in my video that, look, Elon Musk might just make this as a payment model in Twitter. And that's exactly what has been happening, and they're trying to do that now. And that hype did stretch Bitcoin a bit. I personally feel it was, sometimes these hype, they do stretch that money, but you never know what's going to happen next. But Ethereum is becoming very strong. I mean, you see how Ethereum is reacting to Bitcoin is tremendous, and it seems like, you know, in a bull market, I think Ethereum will be there on fire. But I think again, I would say and repeat the same thing, that I personally think this would be one last dip coming in, because I think everyone has become too bullish now. And I think the time that everyone becomes too bullish is the time that we need to know that there is a bit of dip coming in, and there might be a bloodbath coming in very soon. And it's been some time for that bloodbath. We all know that crypto markets, 2 months, 3 months, or 4 months, it gives us 1 day of in that 4 months where we get a bloodbath, and it happens all the time in crypto market. So wait for that day to come for you to buy, because right now buying is not, I think we're at the upper end, and I think short, I told you 30,000 you could take. I'm slightly at a better position right now at 29,800, but Ethereum is again going strong, and we can see that it's overtaking Bitcoin, and Ethereum is becoming extremely strong. So what's going to happen next is something we need to see for a few days. But in my opinion, right now, Bitcoin is around that 30,000 crucial mark. And do we get rejected? We're right at that trend line. Now we need to break this trend line anyhow and go above 30,000, break this 30,000, because we might try to break that 30,000, but we've been getting rejected around 29,800. So the resistance is around 30,500, but that's what the chart says. But what happens psychologically, the figures like 30,000, 25,000, 20,000, 40,000, they become sometimes even more hard to break, because it's just psychological that people like to buy in at 30,000 or sell around 30,000, and nobody will go up to precisely at 30,500. That's just the way the markets work. So 30,000 and 30,500 both are going to be a resistance. Now I think we might be heading down back for another rally towards the downside. But overall, we've seen a very decent growth in the crypto markets. I think the crypto markets have now getting back, and it seems like we're back into the the crypto way it functions, 10%, 15%, 20% jump. And I think very soon this crypto bear market would be over, because we're almost at the last leg of it. And this is what I had been telling you in all my videos, that we are pretty much at the last leg of it, and this is not gonna be so I told you that if we go down this time around, it's gonna be the last time we're gonna go down. This is from 20,000, I've been telling you. And I still believe that this would be the last time that you would go down. I don't think after this you'll be going down. And so the last bull cycle low, you could say bull cycle high was around 20,000. I think that still will become a resistance, and around that pricing, I don't know if you're going to see 15,000 again coming back, but we'll have to wait for it. Because look, in crypto markets, try and understand, 50% or 40% downfall from these prices is also not far. So you'll have these days where it's gonna dip 40%, 45% and reach to that level. So it's not something that is not possible in the crypto markets. It's pretty much possible. So, but in my opinion, right now, crypto markets seem to be slightly in a bullish zone. Retail is picking up, mining is picking up. So I see a lot of buying that would be coming in. So in my opinion, we're slightly more bullish. I don't think we're going to see a bloodbath that soon, but you never know with the crypto markets. So I still think we'll have to really monitor this. Right now also we are in no man's land, and I think 29,800, 29,700, 30,200 is nor here nor there. So we'll really have to see if this breaks up or this breaks down. But when we were at 28,400, 300, at 27, I told you we're almost, closing in, and we need to break out as soon as possible. And on Monday happened, and I told you that Bitcoin does not have a lot of time to break out, and it did break out. Now where it sustains is something that we will see, and how it sustains is something more important that we're going to see. So let's see what happens with the crypto markets. Ethereum is looking strong, Solana is just killing it, and Matic is getting back on track. I think the crypto markets are getting the power that they need to rise, and that is what is happening. So if you're liking the content, please do like, share and subscribe. So that's all from the crypto market, and we will let you know whenever Bitcoin does make a move or it's about to make a move. So that's all for now. Signing off, Gurpreet Singh from the Crypto Singh Show. Bye bye, take care.